In today's video, I'm going to take you through 5 best survey sites that are legit and will pay you some money in 2023. You're highly welcome to my channel. Here I talk about how to make money online and I give you tips, tricks, best ways one can make money online in this technological era. So please don't hesitate. You are at the right place and I'm going to guide you through this journey you have chosen to embark. But please, I will need a little favor from you. Kindly subscribe to this channel, please like this video, and please leave a comment. If anything that is bothering you or you don't understand, please kindly put it in the comment section and I will respond to it as soon as possible. The first legit app on my list that is paying its users in 2023 is called FreeCash. FreeCash is formerly called FreeSkin and it is one of the best survey sites that if you are looking for to earn money online, I will recommend for you. It rewards its members for doing online surveys, app installations, and referrals. FreeCash pay by rewarding coins to its users. Yeah, coins. You are surprised. Don't be. It is FreeCash mode of payment, and 1,000 coins translate to $1. Of course, you can convert them into dollars when withdrawing. To start making money on FreeCash site, you will require to create an account at no charge, either using your email, Google, or Steam account. After registration, you are going to get 100 free coins. Now, during sign up, the site will ask you some pre-qualification questions, and these questions will determine the kind of tax the system matches you with, and that is called featured offers. You can start doing online survey jobs to earn coins. You can also pick tax from the offer wall to earn some coins. Kindly note that you will not start earning huge sum of coins right from the start, but the more work you complete, you may begin getting access to higher paying taxes. You can earn as much as $4 per hour. It is one of the best paid survey sites because it is super easy to use for any age group. You can withdraw your money whenever you need it, and it offers a lot of payment options such as PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, and among others. The only issue about FreeCash is that there aren't many surveys available for people outside the US, UK, and Canada, but it is still one of the best survey earning sites to work from anytime and anywhere. The second site on my list is called Swagbucks. This site offers quick money for anyone who is willing to get paid to take surveys. Their surveys are fairly easy. You can finish them between a couple of minutes to an hour, and how much they pay you depends on the length of the survey. It's one of the best survey earning sites to consider in 2023, and it pays through PayPal or Amazon gift card. Check the link in the description below. The third site is called Survey Junkie, and it is one of my best and favorite sites for making money online. To start earning from this site, you must sign up for an account and complete your profile. You have to provide your general, technical, or household information to get extra points in completing your profile. Survey Junkie points are convertible into real money. 100 points are equivalent to $1. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or US bank account for a minimum of $10. You can also use your points to redeem gift cards from iTunes, Amazon, Walmart, and more. And this makes it one of the best survey sites to earn money and to earn rewards. The fourth site is called Pinecone Research, and it has been in the system since 1998. So from that, you can clearly tell that it is legit. This site is one of my favorite to make real cash that I would love you guys to check it out. The link is in the description below. One of the reasons why I love this site is that you can withdraw straight into your bank account through your Visa. And you can also withdraw through PayPal or you get it as gift cards. In this site, there is no disqualification since you only get surveys that matches your profile. Pinecone Research is one of the best online survey sites that pays good and fast. Check out the link in the description below. The fifth site is called Survey Time, and it is one of the best I have ever witnessed in making money online. I've made about $50 since I have joined this site. So guys, I'm recommending this site to all of you to start making money online. It was founded in 2018 And each payment option is through PayPal and gift card. Unlike others that reward in coins or in points, Survey Time reward in dollars. So you get reward $1 for each survey you complete. So 10 surveys is equal to $10. 100 surveys, $100. 1,000 surveys, $1,000. This is so cool, guys. You need to sign up for an account and complete your profile. Apart from the usual demographic questions such as your household income, education level, employment status, there are additional simple questions to answer, and you must answer them honestly to avoid your profile being rejected as a bot. Unlike most of their competitors, Survey Time pays equally for all of their surveys, $1 for each. And the best part about this site is that you can send that dollar into your PayPal account immediately and directly. There is no minimum withdrawal amount. You will just need to verify your phone number, I guess for security reasons, and wait for about 2 to 3 minutes, and the money will be in your PayPal account. The links to all the sites I've talked about is in the description, so please kindly check them out in the description. This channel is purposely created to guide you on how to make money online. There are more that will be revealing in this channel, so please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified.